to begin planning the 10-lesson unit for this assessment, focus was set upon the Australian Curriculum Technologies Learning Area, specifically the Design and Technologies and Digital Technologies strands. After determining the focus year level for the assessment, Year 5, content descriptors and elaborations for each descriptor under the Knowledge and Understanding and Processes and Production Skills substrands were closely examined. Elaborations for each chosen content descriptor provided a greater insight into the specific knowledge and understanding that students would need to learn, as well as the processes and production skills students would need to develop in order to successfully progress in the Year 5 Technologies subject area. For example, one of the content descriptors in the Design and Technology strand, specifically Knowledge and Understanding, students investigate characteristics and properties of a range of materials, systems, components, tools, and equipment and evaluate the impact of their use. To gain a greater understanding of specific learning the descriptor was concerned with, for example, components, it was essential to explore the elaborations. From here, it became easier to choose a product to focus the assessment upon. For example, elaborations highlighted components as being the elements that make up a system to perform specific functions, i.e., a steering system in a car controls the direction of movement. This initiated the idea of working with remote control toys for the project, specifically remote control cars and controllers. Components, in particular those that support the physical movement and electrical function of the car, were a focus, including batteries, circuit boards, antennas, wires, wheels and wheel shaft, on-off switch, motors, megahertz and frequency, and relevant forwards, backwards, left and right controls on the controller. Relevant learning about each component was covered over 4 lessons. Lesson 1 examined key components of car and controller. Lesson 2 on battery packs and how they provide power to operate car and controller. Lesson 3 on circuit boards and antennas, highlighting how they both connect and support electrical components and communication between car and controller. And Lesson 4 on megahertz, frequency, and motors, examining how parts within a motor allows other components to function effectively, for example, rotates wheels.